welcome back to my channel. I hope you're sweet and sassy today, because I know I am. Who isn't? I don't know anybody who isn't, and if you are, then I don't need that kind of negativity in my life. Let's just be honest. Just kidding. I want all y'all in my life, whether you sweet, sassy, or grumpy. I want you all. Anywho, thank you so much for coming back. I know you're probably looking at this video and thinking, didn't you just wear that outfit? Isn't that the same makeup you had in the last one? Why, yes. Yes, it is. That's because your girl's going to do 3 videos today. And I'm not changing or redoing my makeup. So y'all just going to have to deal with it. Because I got 3 videos to do. 3. So you're going to see this outfit in 3 different videos. So, deal. Anywho, I hope you subscribe. Why wouldn't you want to? Subscribe, like, push the post notification button, because you're going to want to. So, I suppose at a minute into this video, I should probably tell you what it is if you don't even know. I mean, it's in the title, but you know. Anywho, it's my Boxycharm Unboxing Premium Base. If you don't know, now you know. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You pay monthly. They send you a box of goodies. I end up not wanting the goodies, and then I give them away. What? Did I just say that? I sure did. It's a giveaway video. I know. The last one I just did a giveaway, and now I'm giving away again. Remember when I said I'm a giver? I wasn't kidding. Giver. Here's a giveaway. Whatever I don't want in these, they're all yours. You just have to enter below. Let's see. What should I say for entering below? Below you should... Your favorite food. I'm a foodie. Yes. Comment down below your favorite food. Like, subscribe, comment. That's how you get entered. Like, subscribe, comment, favorite food, and you get entered in the giveaway. I can't wait to see what's going to be in this giveaway. I can't wait. Can't wait. Okay, so first we're going to do the base box. The base box is guaranteed 4 to 5 products, over $120 in value. We shall see. I'm using my phone as my camera, so I can't add it up for you. But I'll put it down in the description box. Or, what I'll do is I'll put the price right here. I'll put the price of each product. It's a lot of editing. I'll put the prices here, okay? Okay, first things first. Okay, so this box is the Boxycharm Sunshine box. Now, I haven't been getting these little inserts lately, so I'm so glad I did. Okay, oh my gosh, y'all. How pretty. Yes, let's get into it. Okay, Alamar Cosmetics. This is Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. Alamar Cosmetics. Yes, pretty. It is $15. I am not going to swatch it, only because it's going to go in the giveaway. Because I have a ton of colors like this, and I might even have this one. And I don't even want to open it. I don't want to open it. So I'm going to give this away. Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit going in the giveaway. Next, I have the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow valued at $25. This is in the shade Gold. So this is a really pretty. But I have a color like this in the Stila. So don't need this. In the giveaway. in the giveaway, y'all, because I'm a giver. Next is the Next Gen Blender Set. That is the Cream Shop, $22. I love it. I love the colors. I love that they've got an angle, but I have a ton of sponges. Don't need them. In the giveaway. Like, is the whole box in the giveaway? I don't know. Next, we have Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, Watermelon, Green Tea, and Pineapple. Say that all 10 times fast. I dare you. Anywho, this is $49.95. Really, though? Really? Ooh, it is nice packaging. And you know a girl's a sucker for and it's glass. It is really nice. But, as I've said before, and I'll say it again, your girl can't do skincare unless it's Glow Recipe or Benefit. That's it. That's the only thing that works on my face. So I don't even bother, because I'm 46 years old and I don't need breakouts. I don't. Next, in the giveaway, by the way, that was going in the giveaway. Next is Ace Beauty. See, I never know. Is this Ace Beauty or Ace Beauté? I don't know. This is Bronzed in Paradise palette, $30. Ooh, pretty. That's probably a little too deep for me, but these other ones would work. However, I've got plenty of bronzers. I like, this kind of reminds me of the coloring of the Park Ave Princess by Tarte. I like that one. So, this will go in the giveaway. So basically this whole box just went in the giveaway. This whole box, y'all, in the giveaway. How exciting. And I'll put the price total right here. Right here. That's how much it costs. That's my shock look for it. That's crazy. Right? Because I know it's over 120. I mean, that one was $50. Whoever wins this, you gotta tell me, is it worth $50? Tell me. When you try it, you gotta tell me if it's worth $50. You in the comment section. I want you to do that for me. Next is the Premium. So, this is also a monthly. It is $35 and it's guaranteed over 175. So exciting. Again, I'll put the price. I'm just saying. Oh, look. Look, 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 look. Good stuff in there. Okay. This, again, is the Sunshine. Ooh, I don't even know where to start. Okay. This is Biro, maybe? Yeah, Biro Bitter Essence Toner. $95? Girl, you playing. I mean, it's pretty. Oh, it's almost, it's not like a normal toner, though. Normally, toners are like super, this is like jelly almost. I mean, it's a little thicker, is what I'm saying. I mean, I'm just going to smell it, but I'm not going to. Okay, first of all, I love this got a little tiny, little squirt part. I can't smell anything. So, again, say it once, say it 1,000 times. I'm not going to use it. So it'll go in the giveaway for $95. Girl, you tripping. Anyway, next, how about some cuticle oil? Revitalizing cuticle oil. This is Milk and Honey Cuticle Oil Revitalizing Oil, $18 in the giveaway because I've got so much cuticle oil that it's not even funny. I've been doing my nails by myself lately because of this whole COVID. So I've got a ton of cuticle oil. This, however, is going to last you forever. Okay, hopefully whoever I get doesn't mind if I open this and just see if it smells good. I just want to smell it. I don't want to smell her. I promise I'm not going to do anything else. I just want to smell. Oh. Y'all, that smells good. That smells good. So, cuticle oil in the giveaway. All right, next we have the, yeah, I don't even know. Kenya Antivirus? I have no idea. Comment below if you do. I don't know. This is the Kenya Beauty Set and Define Kit. $42. Let's take a look, shall we? Oh, I love this. This is like a snake skin. And you can feel it too. It's not just an imprint. It's just, oh, it's like raised. Pretty. Oh, that's pretty. It reminds me of like the Cocoa, the Too Faced Cocoa Contour, but with a highlight and a mattifying. Ooh, that's so pretty. So stunning. I'm not going to swatch it because guess what? Giveaway. I got plenty of this stuff. I do. You'd, like, after a while, you'd think, like, why is she buying? Why is she even subscribed to Boxycharm if she's going to give it away? Well, A, I'm a giver. Can't say it enough, apparently. And B, sometimes the stuff in there I do like, and I do keep it. And it's worth it. Even if I keep one product, just one. 9 times out of 10 is worth it. Okay, next is the Fully Fire Matte Manipulation Trio. $39.99. Oh, look, 4 different shades. And, ooh, look at those. Those are the colors. And all colors I won't do because of reds. I don't do reds. So, in the giveaway. I mean, should we open it though and just like maybe see what they look like? I'm not going to swatch them. This is Sunset Boulevard. Okay, this packaging is gorgeous though. Look at that. Look how gorgeous the packaging is. Oh, that's pretty. See, I wish I could do like reds, but I'm more of like browns and neutrals. That's Sunset Boulevard. Put that back in there. Then we have Here to Slay. Are you now? Are you really? We'll see about that. Just love the packaging. The packaging is beautiful. It's like a soft matte. Oh, that's pretty. That's a nice red. It's a nice red. I like that boulder. That's a nice boulder. Anywho. Next, Full House. This looks vampy, judging by the color on the bottom. Packaging. Yes. Very vampy. Good fall. Would probably go good with the look that I'm wearing right now. But, again, I don't do the dark colors. Don't do the vampy. Somebody's going to be happy, though. How cute are those? All right, in the giveaway. Next is the Line and Define Laura Geller. And this is $24. Take a look at it. Oh, that's thick. She thick. Look how thick that is. And it's got like a felt tip end to it. Yes. And then a pencil end to it. Ooh. Are you going to try to sword somebody with that? And the colors slate and black. Going in the giveaway. Last but not least, and one of my faves of this box, the Morphe X MannyMUA. Now, y'all know I love me a good MannyMUA. I do. I love him. Love him. He's stunning. He says that all the time. Hi, Manny, if you're watching this, which I know you're not, but maybe one day you will. I'm just saying. Anyway, I have this palette. Oh, look, there he is. Isn't he the cutest? Oh, I love his videos. Watch him. Hey, I'll tag his channel below. Watch his videos. They're amazing. Much better than mine. Much better. He did a collab with Morphe. This is his palette. I already have it. Look. Look at those colors. Are they not gorgeous? Highlighting and eyeshadow. Beautiful. I'm not going to swatch it though because I'm going to put it in the giveaway because I already have it. Now, had I not had it, I would have kept it and it would have been worth it. Just saying. So, this palette is $20 and it's going in the giveaway. I love you, Manny. Manny, give me a thumbs up. Just saying. If you watch this, ever. That's it, y'all. I'm going to put the total of that box, the premium, right there. Here's my shock look again. You like that? I know. Anyway, it's right there. Anyway, that's it for this video, y'all. Video number 2 down. I already did 1. Here's 2 down. Anyway, Boxycharm unboxing. Hope you like everything, because if you do and you enter, you're gonna win. And I'll put the total of all of it right here. The total of both boxes right here, because that's gonna be the giveaway. Both boxes, full boxes. I'm not taking one thing, not one thing. They're all going to you, all of it. I'm a giver. Comment down below your favorite food. Subscribe. Like. And comment below your favorite food. And it's all yours. You're welcome. That's me, the giver in me. Enjoy. I'll see you in my next video, which is probably coming up soon, and you'll be in this outfit. Just saying. See you in my next one. Can't wait. Can't wait. Hope you like this video. Talk to you later. Stay sweet and stay sassy and sweet and sassy. Love you. Bye, everyone.